Hello everyone, welcome to day 29 of Parenting Simplified with Shining Spiral. Many times you will hear these sentences coming from your child. Mama, मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. I don't know what to do. आप कुछ करो. And the moment the child says this, you come into a frenzy and you start dialing up your friend, asking her कि यार तेरा बच्चा कौन सी एक्टिविटी में जाता है, or you go to the Google and start searching for activities near me. In short, you're trying to find a way, a solution to keep your child engaged. If not this, your other thing would be, okay, come let us sit and do painting together. Or you will give him some alternatives to do with you. What we would suggest is, it is a wonderful thing if your child says, I'm getting bored. And you need to allow him to get bored. You know why? I'm sure you know it heart to heart. Because when you were younger, you had ample opportunities of getting bored and you could utilize those opportunities very creatively. That is exactly what we need to give to the children nowadays who have a lot of things to do outside. Let him get bored. The moment the child starts getting bored and he sees no response from the adult, sooner or later he will reflect, he will settle, and then he will find out ways to keep himself engaged in a very creative, innovative way. And don't we want this? The child to develop his creativity and innovation? Also, when children are able to keep themselves engaged on their own, they develop an ability to be always constructively engaged. बड़े होके भी उनको एक्सट्रिंसिक मोटिवेटर्स की, आउटिंग्स की, एंटरटेनमेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है खुद को एंगेज रखने के लिए. एंड दिस यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन द लॉकडाउन पीरियड. Those of you who were able to do things on their own, on your own, you didn't get bored during the lockdown. But there were many people who actually got bored during the lockdown and the only thing they resorted to was watching Netflix series. Think upon this and let your child get bored. It will be better in the longer run. Thank you.